Hi! In this video, we're gonna focus on the elevation view and how to export it. So let's take a look at my project. As you can see here at the bottom, we have the option 2D view and 3D view, and we also see the elevation view, but it will not be clickable if we're not inside a specific room. Let's enter our bathroom as an example and select a wall. Now we can switch and go into the elevation view. Here we go. We can insert an object, for example, a window. We can select here the hang window. You could duplicate the window, you can swap the window, so change the window type if you prefer another kind of window. You can work also here, you can move it in the elevation view. Once you're happy with your project, you can go back to 2D. Now, if we select this wall and we open the info section, you see this option, display elevation in report. If you activate it, so if you see it green, as I did now, then we will be able to see this specific wall in the report PDF. Let's export our report PDF and see how it looks like. Voila! Now we can scroll down until we see our bathroom. Here we have it, and there we go. You can see that we have our room with that specific wall highlighted in red, and we see the wall in the elevation view with the window and the other details. But let's go back and let's imagine that we want to share this project with someone who is not using magicplan at all. You can tap on the export toggle again. You scroll down to Get Shareable Link. We tap on this option. Okay, right now you see that anyone with the link has no access, so you have to select Can View. And here you have the option Elevation. You turn it on. We can copy the link and take a look at it as if we would not use magicplan. Give it a second. We select the bathroom, and as you can see at the bottom you have this little icon with a man. You select that and voila, you can see what wall are you looking at. In this case, you see here in the miniature that the wall has been highlighted in blue, so this means that you're looking at that wall in the elevation view. And as simple as that, you can add wall objects and take a look at your project in the elevation view to get a better idea of how it will look like in real life. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!